Hi, friends. It's Miss Stephanie again. Just checking in, making sure everybody's doing well and eating healthy and having fun with family while we wait during this time. I miss your faces and I miss feeding your little tummies. So, did you guys do the frozen fruit cups? If you did, let me know how those worked out for you. But today, you're going to learn how to make grilled pizza sandwiches. Oh my gosh, they are so delicious. So, what Miss Stephanie used was Italian bread, pepperoni, provolone cheese, and she used spaghetti sauce instead of pizza sauce, but I added some spices to make it taste a little more like pizza sauce. So once again, just like the frozen fruit cups, use what you have at home and just enjoy family time. All right, friends, hope to see you soon. Bye.
All around the kitchen, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. 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 Well, you stop right there, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. Put your arms in the air, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. Put your hands in your hair, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. Spin around in a circle, cock-a-doodle-doo.